to bring your artwork to life in 3D? In this video, I'll walk you step by step through turning your design into a depth map and a 3D mesh using Luma-Loft. First, open up the Tools menu and select the Depth Map Mesh Maker to kick off your project. Click Start Fresh to launch a new session. Head straight to the Upload Image section and upload your artwork file. JPEGs and PNGs work best here. From your File Explorer, choose the image you want to convert so it's queued up for processing. Now, it's time to hit Generate your depth map directly from this image. The tool analyzes light and dark areas to create an accurate representation of depth. Next up, you can directly save your depth map by clicking Save 16-bit PNG. Or hit Generate 3D Mesh to transform your depth map into a full 3D model. Choose a realistic material, like wood grain, brushed metal, or custom textures, and set the environment lighting to get the best real-time preview. Need for a more refined and deeper result? Adjust the contrast, black point, and midtone sliders to achieve the right balance of depth and detail. Even subtle tweaks in these settings can lead to dramatic improvements. Once things are looking great, apply background mask, then hit Apply the blend to mesh, and regenerate your 3D mesh for another preview. You can now rotate or move your 3D model around the workspace, swap materials, or shift lighting to achieve your desired look. When you're happy, capture a high-quality screenshot or adjust the lighting angle for the perfect presentation. Finally, download your depth map or export mesh file to save your creation. File formats like OBJ or GLB are usually available. Before you wrap up, open your downloaded file and make sure everything looks just right before ending your session. If you found this walkthrough helpful and want to learn more creative techniques in 3D design, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.